एक गेम खेलते हैं.
Okay.
Never have I ever.
Ooh.
So in this game, I'll give you a situation. If you have done it, you'll say yes. If not, you'll say no.
Okay.
So never have I ever recorded a voice message or a greeting for a fan or a friend.
No, never. I've never understood this game only.
So if you've done, you say yes.
So I have done.
Okay.
Correct, no?
Huh,
So green, no?
Yeah,
Huh.
yeah.
So silly I am.
You want to share what happened, how it
So
happened?
this was Bubble only. This
Okay.
was a very cute child, and this friend again called and said, my daughter is a huge fan of Bubble and this
Jalebi Street?
Jalebi Street. So can you send like a birthday wish? So I sent that. On another occasion, this little Krishna,
Huh.
I sent the voice note, and then that child started howling and crying because he realized that that character no longer exists as a fiction. कि ये तो सच्ची में कोई है, तो वो उसका हार्ट ब्रेक हो गया. So it was too contrasting. This child was very happy to talk to me. Then intermittently, कभी कभी she really wants to talk to Bubble. I said okay, call. So all these things we do. Yeah.
अच्छा, when this happens कि बच्चे आपको बोलते हैं कि हमें कुछ रिकॉर्ड करके भेजो या हमसे बात करो, तो आप how do you say, like if little Krishna has to say something to the kids on phone or something, तो how do you say?
I'll make it relevant depending on क्या situation है कि देखो तुम्हारा होमवर्क ज़रूर करना, जो भी हो जाए मम्मा को बोले बिना बाहर मत जाना, ठीक है? Things like that, depending on what the context is, and they just they're so enamored by it.
Yeah. This has happened with me also long ago. एक बच्चा था and he thought that I'm going to meet Doraemon today. And उनके parents ने
he thought
बोला
Doraemon is gonna come.
Yes. And वो तो ज़मीन पे लेट के रोने लग गया. This is not Doraemon.
Next time you should wear the costume. अब वही बाकी है हमारे.
ये भी हो चुका है मेरे साथ. एक बार एक parents they called me up via somebody they knew and I also knew. So they said ki can you come to this birthday party, we have our kid's birthday, and I said okay, I'll come for a while and I'll wish and everything. So they said no, but can you come in Doraemon's costume?
I hope you said no.
Of course I said no. मैंने कहा ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. Because they said नहीं, लेकिन बच्चों को लगेगा कि ये डोरेमोन नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं. मैंने कहा सर वो सब ठीक है, but this is not possible.
Let them face reality. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, next. Never have I ever used one of my character voices in a real life situation for fun.
Not really.
No?
No.
Oh, you should do it.
Yeah, like
Prank
how?
करना चाहिए आपको लोगों
Prank,
को.
huh?
हाँ.
No, I'm such a सीधा बच्चा. I don't prank.
एक बार ऐसा हुआ था मेरे पास ना, बहुत, जब आपको याद है नंबर पोर्ट करवाने का सिस्टम शुरू हुआ था, सो वी यूज्ड टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉल्स कि हेलो मैम, आई एम कॉलिंग फ्रॉम दिस, वुड यू लाइक टू पोर्ट योर नंबर फ्रॉम दिस नेटवर्क टू दिस. सो आई सेड एक सेकेंड होल्ड करना. आई थिंक ये मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी होगा हाईलाइट्स में. आई सेड एक सेकेंड होल्ड करना, मेरी छोटी बहन है वो मुझे बहुत परेशान कर रही है, पहले इससे बात कर लो. एंड वहाँ से हेलो, एंड आई एम लाइक हेलो दीदी, आपको मेरी दीदी का नंबर क्यों चाहिए, आपको मेरी दीदी का नंबर क्यों चेंज करना है. एंड वो बेचारी परेशान हो गई वहाँ से.
But you're saying this, it happened accidentally with me now that you're saying. So I was in college and तभी एक ज़माना था जब फ़ोन पे टिकट्स बुक होती थी फिल्म्स के.
Okay.
So you would call a number and you would book a phone ticket. I mean you would book a movie ticket. तो मैंने फ़ोन किया, हाँ ऐसे मुझे 2 टिकट्स चाहिए. बेटा ये एडल्ट फिल्म है. एक्सक्यूज मी, मैं एक एडल्ट हूँ. नहीं बेटा ऐसे नहीं करते, मम्मा को फ़ोन दो. And it was so difficult for me to convince that person that I am an adult.
Yeah.
I didn't get the movie tickets. I had to make a friend and book tickets for
Oh
me.
my god.
It is so funny. Yeah, so it did happen accidentally.
Yeah. A lot of times it happens कि मुझे भी लोग समझ लेते हैं. अब थोड़ा कम होता है जब मैं माँ बन गई हूँ. I don't know what happened. But कुछ टाइम पहले तक मुझे भी हेलो हाँ बेटा ऐसा होता था.
I prank my mom a lot. So
How?
between Arth, Pari and me, I will call.
Your
I have
kids,
had,
Arth and Pari.
this is my mother I'm talking to. My mother should be able to recognize my voice,
Yeah.
right? I will talk to her as if it's Pari, and to some extent Arth, जब वो छोटा था, full conversation she's had thinking it's one of them. After I tell her, Mama, it's me. काय तू कशी तू मला कळलंच नाही so she'll be like she won't know. So yeah, okay, I can say
Oh
yes.
yes, you've done it. You've done it. Okay, great. Never have I ever received an unusual or a funny fan comment related to my voice work.
Not really.
No.
No.
Okay. Never have I ever gotten a role or job based on a voice demo or audition that I thought wasn't my best work.
As in I got it.
You got it, but you thought कि ये तो बहुत बेकार हुआ है, नहीं होगा. मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत होता है. मुझे जब लगता है मेरा ऑडिशन बहुत गंदा हुआ है, I get selected.
हाँ हुआ है ऐसे हुआ है. That has happened. If you ask me which, I will not remember. But it's not directly related. But what I was telling you about that Huey, Dewey, Louie character.
हाँ, yes.
It so happened that there are these. This is a very old series again. Uncle Scrooge एक character और उनके 3 nephews होते हैं. Huey, Dewey, Louie. मेरे ख्याल से पहले पैमेला डब करती थी और हुआ ये कि for some reason of course they were asking for auditions. तो मैं गई audition के लिए और मैंने वो डब कर लिया, audition दे दी. And they would speak like,
अंकल स्क्रूज, हमें आपके खजाने में स्विमिंग करना है. वाओ, अंकल स्क्रूज के पास कितने पैसे हैं?
now imagine this.
Yeah.
And 3 of them and the entire series is about them. कर तो लिया. जैसे ही मैं बाहर आऊँ, मम्मी थी मेरी और जो ऑडिशन ले रही थी, आई थिंक इट वॉज ग्रेटा एंड एली ओनली, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट एनीवे उन्होंने कहा ओके शी इज सिलेक्टेड. एंड माई मदर टेल्स मी आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. मैं वहीं बैठ कर रोने लगी. क्या हुआ, मुझे नहीं करना है बिकॉज इट्स सो टफ. सो दिस इज लाइक उल्टा वर्जन ऑफ दैट.
Yeah. Okay. Never have I ever been starstruck by working with a specific actor or artist in the industry.
I have. It's like with Shah Rukh Khan, that was one.
Oh, yes.
Or you talking about the dubbing industry?
Any industry that you
Any,
want.
okay.
You've worked in a lot of industries, so any industry.
Yeah, I think that was a very. Then I did one ad with Shah Rukh long back. It was directed by Farah Khan, and I was beaming कि my God उस ad में शाहरुख खान भी है. But तब क्योंकि तब थोड़ी मैं और बड़ी हो गई थी तो और it was different, you know. तभी I was still in
Which
school.
ad was this?
This was for Sun Feast.
Okay.
And I come and I say, ये क्या चल रहा है? And Shahrukh looks at me and he's something. And I was so excited till the day of the shoot. He's such a charmer. He's so beautiful.
Yeah. Never have I ever had to record a scene where I laughed or cried uncontrollably in character.
While recording?
Yeah.
No, not
No?
really. No.
ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ कि कैरेक्टर बहुत ज़्यादा रो रहा है and you also started crying uncontrollably?
No, I think this is like you have to also be so conscious about so many other elements. But नहीं ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ है.
ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. Okay.